Okay, balik tayo, no? Still on math basics. In this vlog, we will try to differentiate between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. Okay? So we got two examples here. 2x cubed. On the right side, we have 2x cubed is equal to 4. So, saan dito yung expression? Saan naman yung equation? Okay, no? Yung first example natin, 2x cubed, is an example of algebraic expression. Okay? Sige. Okay, so this is an example of algebraic expression. Yung example naman natin sa right is an example of algebraic equation. Okay, very simple yung difference, no? Okay, why equation? All because of the presence of the sign, no? So, ganun natin kasimple, pwede ma-detect, no? Whether the given is an algebraic expression or an algebraic equation. Okay, still on math basics, ha? Okay.